Yeah, this is a Santos. Again, this is February 28, 2019. And this buffet is incredible. Dawn, watch out for this stuff. It's called wahibi or something.
Yeah, it's very
like
hot.
super hot. Super hot. Somebody thought it was pistachio ice cream or something last time and they almost choked to death. Okay, Dawn. Do you need any help getting anything?
I think I'm good.
You are good.
I hear if somebody asks you if they can help, you say yes.
Yes, yes. Look at all these. They have everything here. It's just remarkable. And we didn't even get to the desserts, and I don't even want to think about that because I was on a Dunkin' Donut detox, and oh my God, all these little miniature desserts, and then they got all these different ice creams and sherbets and whatever. All right. I'm going to have some soup, too. Oh, they need to replenish over here. Ooh, corn on the cob. Anybody like seafood? I see food and I eat it. Okay, I think that's a cut. It just keeps going on, rows and rows of more eating and eating and eating and eating. This is the stuff that people love for sushi rolls. Okay.
And then they begged us to go to bed.
Everybody want to say hello. Hello from Coconut Creek, Florida. All right, Andy, nice guy. Okay, I think that's a cut, folks. I got to go back to eating. Signing out, February 28, 2019, Coconut Creek, Florida. Bye.